destruct any kind of organic waste collected at source without using any power or fuel for continuous destructions only. This revolutionary product works on the principle of low temperature pyrolysis at 350 to 400 degrees centigrade utilizing a special magnetic heat decomposition method. Swatch can be used for destruction of non-segregated inert domestic waste, specific industrial waste including plastic bags, waste tires, vegetable waste, cardboards, garden leaves, oil-choked cotton. It has a capacity to reduce the output of destructed waste in the ratio of 1 by 100 times. That is, 1 ton of waste can be reduced to 10 kg of ash. Swatch system has been tested for flue gas emission, presence of dioxins and furans for different types of mixed waste as per the MOEF incinerator emission guidelines, which are well within the specified limits. Swatch system is a solution for decentralized processing of MSW after recovering certain amount of recyclables. This not only saves transportation costs to urban local bodies but also reduces methane emission due to the immediate processing of garbage at each micro level. Swatch systems are available within a capacity from 100 kg per day to 2 ton per day, which are most suitable for small and medium scale waste generators like apartments, commercial complexes, corporates, cinema houses, gated communities, wards in municipalities, gram panchayats, etc. In summary, Swatch system is a dramatic green solution to global warming and environmental pollutions.